Caligo County, this is Ricardo with Elite HVAC. And today we're here in beautiful Single Tree, Colorado. As you can see, it's another sunny, beautiful day. I want to show you how we can keep you cool and comfortable. Follow me. As you guys can see, we just finished another Mitsubishi Ductless mini split installation for one of our clients. In this case, we have a designer series set from Mitsubishi. It's a lot more sharp, a lot more boxier looking. It blends in better with more modern designs in your home. I'll let you guys take a closer look. This designer series set from Mitsubishi is going to be taking care of the great room and the kitchen area, as you guys can see here. Let me show you why they needed this Mitsubishi wall-mounted head here. As you guys can see, our clients here have a pretty open space, but we have some south-facing windows here. So there was a lot of heat coming in throughout the day, and this space is really beautiful. It's nice, it's modern, so that's why we decided to go with a Mitsubishi designer series set. That way they're going to be kept nice, cool, comfortable, and with a stylish Mitsubishi head. Now I want to show you the rest of the comfort zones that we installed. We installed 3 more Ductless mini split heads, so follow me. As you guys can see, we're now in the master. So my clients were having an uncomfortable time trying to fall asleep. So that's why we decided to go with this Mitsubishi wall mount head here in the master. Now they're going to be able to sleep a lot better at night. They're going to be cool and comfortable. And as you can see, the unit is pretty silent. Now I want to go show you guys the other 2 zones that we did. They're for smaller rooms, but nonetheless, they got hot, and their guests and their kids and grandkids were uncomfortable. So follow me and I'll show you what we did. So here we have another Mitsubishi head. This head is going to be taking care of the guest room. As you guys can see, it's up high, nice. It blends in really well with the space. And it's a really good option, especially if you don't have any ductwork in your home or a forced air system. This is the best way to go to quickly and efficiently condition a space in your home. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the last unit. Now we're here in the kids room, and we decided to go ahead again and do a Mitsubishi wall-mounted head. This head is going to be keeping them cool and comfortable. The guests staying in this room are going to be able to sleep better at night and be more comfortable. And with a Mitsubishi ductless system like this, it's really easy, convenient, and efficient to add air conditioning to your home, especially if you don't have any air ducts or a forced air system currently in your home. Now we're here by the outdoor unit or the condenser. As you guys can see, it's running, it's nice and quiet. Another reason why our clients love the ductless mini split option is the ease of installation. As you guys can see, we did most of the work outside, and we concealed the copper pipes and the communication wire with the line height. This is great because we keep the installation cost to a minimum. We don't do a lot of drywall damage inside your home, and once the line height gets painted, it'll blend right in to your home, and it's a quick and efficient way to stay cool and comfortable all summer long.